Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back home. Before we settle in, can I ask you for a tiny favor? If this space feels calm, if learning English here makes you smile even a little, please tap the like button and share this episode with someone who is also learning English. It helps our home grow, and it means the world to us. Now, take a deep breath. Let the noise of the day fade away. You're safe here. This is not a lesson you need to rush through. This is a gentle conversation, one that helps English feel natural, calm, and familiar. My name is Jane, and sitting right here with me is my wonderful friend, Jessica. Hello, everyone. I'm really happy you're here. And yes, please share this with a friend or family member who's learning English. Learning together makes it easier and more fun. It really does. And if this is your first time here, welcome. You belong here. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back home again. Today, we're talking about words. Small words, everyday words. The words English speakers use again and again without even thinking. If you learn these words, you'll start to understand conversations more clearly. Movies will feel less confusing. English will feel less scary. And slowly, step by step, it will start to feel like yours. So let's begin. Slowly. The first word we'll use today is I. I means me. When you speak about yourself, you use I. I am here. Now we speak to someone else. That word is you. You means the person you're talking to. You are learning English. And when we are together, me and you, we use we. We are learning together. Plus, sometimes we talk about things close to us. For that, we use this. This is my phone. When something is far away, we say that. That is your house. We often talk about places. If you are in a place, you say, here. I am here now. If something is not near you, you say, there. She is over there. Now let's talk about how things feel. When something is nice or positive, we say, good. Today is a good day. And when something is not nice, we say, bad. That's okay too. English has room for honesty. It was a bad day. Every day has a beginning and an end. That word is day. Have a good day. Cool. And something we all share is time. Time helps us know when things happen. It's time to rest. We don't live alone. We live with people. I like meeting people when I'm going. Around us are many objects. We often call them things. That thing is useful. Number 2. Now let's slow down for a moment. The word life is a big word, but we use it often. Life is beautiful. And finally, a very important word. Home. Home is where you feel safe. I am at home. Now, when we meet people, we usually start with, hello. Hello, how are you? Or something more casual like, hi. Hi, Jessica. When someone asks you something and you agree, you say, yes. Yes, I understand. If you don't agree, you say, no. No, thank you. To be polite, we say please. Please help me. And that's called when Get Today, it makes himself. And when someone helps us, we say thank you. Thank you so much. If we make a mistake, we say, sorry, I'm sorry. Sometimes we just want to show agreement. We say, okay, let's go. Grazie. When we need assistance, we ask for help. Can you help me? Shippy could this, but I really spin an unskill. When something makes us happy, we say we like it. I like music. When we desire something, we say we want it. I want tea. And when something is very important, we say we need it. I need water. To understand something, we say we know. I know this word. When we use our minds, we think. I think this is good. And when we talk about emotions, we use feel. I feel calm. Now, gently, we begin to ask questions. We start with what? What is this? Then, where? Where are you? Bem. Sometimes when. When will you come? And why? Why are you here? We ask about people with who. Who is that? We ask about feelings or methods with how. How are you? To choose, we say which. Which one do you like? To ask permission, we use can. Can you help me? To check understanding, we say do. Do you understand? To confirm something, we say is. Is this correct? Quick. Now let's gently move with action words. We say go. Let's go. Or come. Come here. My friend, when I was bunning kind of a smatterks. We use our eyes to see. I see you. We focus when we look. Look at this. We use our voices to speak. Speak slowly. We use our ears to listen. Listen carefully. Podro bit. Every day, many of us work. I work here. When things are difficult, we try. Try again. Plus, every day we learn. I learn English. And finally, we all live. I live here. You just spent time with 50 of the most common English words. That matters. Share this episode with someone who needs calm English too. Like, share, and subscribe. And come back home anytime. You are always welcome here. Goodbye for now.